Thank you for joining in today, and for today's video I have a comparison video. This one I'm going to be comparing two different brands of watercolors. I have a set from Amazon there, and right here I have the Winsor Newton Cotman set. That's the small pocket one. And right here I have the swatches. I'm going to go through each color side by side, and I'm only going to use what is visible right here in the Cotman set, and then I'm going to compare it to the same colors that are over here on this larger set. I'm not going to do every single color in this set. I already have a separate video on that, which I will link below if you want to see that. But again, I'm just going to compare the colors that are from this palette and this one. So we're going to jump right in. And as you can see right here, I was actually shocked at how similar, or almost exact, that these shades are. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the only ones that I could actually see a difference with is the lemon yellow and the cerulean blue. The lemon yellow on the Pretty Excellent brand is a little bit brighter than the Cotman one, and the cerulean blue is just a little bit different tone than the Winsor Newton Cotman one. They're both really, really good. I think if you are looking for, a much larger set for your money, you can go with the Pretty Excellent brand on Amazon. Or if you're looking for a really small travel set, the Winsor Newton one would also work. And price points on Amazon, I believe this palette was around $24, $25, and this much larger palette was like $19.99. So it's quite a bit of a difference. And you can see here, like I said, everything is very, very similar. Overall, both palettes are really nice and great for beginners. I also wanted to add in there that all of the colors are really bright and vivid, and there is no streaking, no chalkiness, and they all look really nice. Like I said, there was just two differences that I noticed there with the two different colors. if anybody was curious, I just wanted to add that in. And I hope you enjoyed this mini review, and be sure to check back for more, and don't forget to subscribe.